In case you weren't aware, remodeling on TV isn't real. The products that they show are often provided for free, which takes away your choices. The space is usually designed by the show's host, which leaves you with little input. And then they show time frames of 6 or 7 days, which no kitchen could be legally remodeled that fast. And the costs they show are highly inaccurate because labor, the biggest part of the job, is provided by you or friends or contractors wanting free advertising, or the TV host, but they count it as free. We're here in Northeast Minneapolis, Minnesota, remodeling a kitchen in this 1953 Rambler. At Castle Building and Remodeling, we remodel dozens of kitchens each year. We decided to shoot a video of an entire kitchen refresh so that we could show how kitchen remodeling really works. Welcome to Remodeling, not as seen on TV. Before any physical work begins, design and planning work must be completed first. The more work that is done at the front end means less surprises or unexpected costs during construction. Plans are made, permits are applied for, and the materials are ordered at this point. Cabinets, for example, have a 4.5-week lead time, so placing all material orders at the beginning is crucial in order to keep on schedule. To prepare the site for demolition, a dumpster is delivered, flooring protector is laid, and poly curtain walls with zipper doors are installed to confine the work area and keep dust within the work area as much as possible. With a complete remodel, Castle will gut the walls to the studs, removing original wall covering, tile, appliances, countertops, cabinets, and flooring. This particular project was considered a kitchen remodel and part refresh because the homeowners decided to reface some of the existing cabinets with new full overlay doors and new drawer faces, reusing the existing cabinet boxes along the sink wall. Therefore, these cabinet boxes were not removed during demo, only doors and drawers along the section to be refreshed. The storm door and main exterior door from the kitchen to the backyard was removed first in this project. A new Therma-Tru fiberglass door was installed, and the existing storm door was reinstalled. Rewiring of the kitchen electrical is typically needed in older homes to bring them up to code. This kitchen's garbage disposal switch was moved to under the sink, light switches were moved, and under cabinet lighting was installed. The subfloor of the kitchen is next patched and new hardwood floor installed plank by plank. 1.5-inch white oak was chosen here to match existing hardwood elsewhere in the home. New drywall is installed next and holes cut for electrical. Other areas of the drywall are simply patched as needed where cabinets and electrical have been removed. This usually takes at least a half day. The second day of sheetrock involves adding a layer of mud and tape to cover all seams. When the first coat of mud dries, a second can be applied and sanded smooth. This usually takes several days because there are 3 coats of mud that need to be applied. Cabinet boxes are installed where they were previously demolished. New drawer boxes with the modern convenience of soft close hardware are incorporated into the existing cabinets. Next, the countertop is measured. Painting is often, but not always, done by homeowners to cut down on costs. Because this project was part remodel and part refresh, these cabinets were ordered unpainted and then painted in Castle's shop. Extensive sanding is done to make sure the floorboards are all smooth and level with each other. Once smooth, the first layer of polyurethane is applied to the hardwood floor. Once dry, a second coat of polyurethane is applied. By the end, the floor will have a total of 3 coats, and with proper maintenance and resanding should last the next 100 to 150 years. The existing cabinets in this kitchen were refaced with new full overlay doors, drawers, and hinges, but they still needed to be painted. Castle sanded, primed, and also painted these in the shop. After they have fully dried, the new cabinet doors, drawer faces, and drawers are installed. Up until this point, we were able to keep the original sink, countertop, and dishwasher intact and usable to the homeowners. In preparation for the new, these old items were removed on day 27. Countertops are usually delivered and installed by the manufacturer or fabricator depending what material is chosen. In this case, locally made recycled glass countertops were made custom for the space by Dakota Surfaces and included a cutout for the sink. The sink is also installed at this time. They make it look easy, but countertops can be extremely heavy and easy to mess up. When laying tile, determining the layout is the first step, so there are even cut pieces in the corners. Lasers are used to ensure proper and level tile backsplash installation. Mastic is applied to the wall as an adhesive for the tile. Tile is laid from the bottom up, and spacers are used to evenly space tiles. Attention to detail is key when installing handmade tile, like in this kitchen. Each tile is meticulously aligned, measured, marked, and cut with a diamond blade until it is just the right size. Once all tiles are in place, the backsplash can be grouted, and a wet sponge is used to clear away excess grout. The backsplash needs to be later sealed to protect the grout from discoloration. This project had extra tile left over, so Castle made a trivet out of it. Holes are drilled for new knobs on all doors and drawers. New hardware is installed. Appliances are usually delivered and installed by the supplier. All appliances in this kitchen refresh were purchased from Warner Stallion and installed by their professional crew. The refrigerator is leveled and inserted. An anti-tip device is installed at the floor of the oven for long-term safety. The refrigerator is connected to the water supply by a plumber. The new kitchen range is hooked up to the gas line. Likewise, the microwave needs to be installed, and the dishwasher hooked up to the water and waste lines. Painting, touch-up, and other punch list items are done. Time for the electrical final visit, where the under-cabinet lighting and plug mold is installed. The microwave and tray dividers are installed. The hardwood floor gets its third finishing coat of polyurethane. After the construction is finished, a thorough cleaning is done to remove all dust and residual debris from the project. Old appliances need to be properly disposed of and arrangements made for the dumpsters to be taken away. Voila! Here are some after photos of this gorgeous, mid-century modern kitchen refresh. It might not have been done in 1 week like on TV, but it was done right and should last another 60 years. To recap, remodeling on TV isn't real. When you choose to remodel with a professional, you'll get a design that fits your style and creates a functional space. You'll get a professional designer assisting you every step of the way. You'll get a complete kitchen remodel within about 8 to 10 weeks, and the project that's planned from start to finish and no surprises along the way. Hopefully you'll get a space that you'll love for many years to come and a warranty from a reputable company like Castle that will stand behind its work. Castle is a team of designers and project managers who are experts at kitchen remodeling. We complete remodeling projects within a 25-mile radius of our 4 convenient showroom locations in Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota. Visit castlebri.com to learn more.